In 2020, DJI launched the Zenmuse L2, a camera payload that combines both LiDAR and RGB solutions to provide various industries with efficient 3D data acquisition. Now, DJI breaks new ground with the Zenmuse L2, elevating the standards of aerial surveying, operational experience, task efficiency, and accuracy, making any 3D operation a breeze. Zenmuse L2 comes with an integrated design, incorporating a LiDAR module, mapping camera, high-accuracy IMU system, and a 3-axis gimbal. The new IMU system's performance is optimized, and warm-up is not required, letting you take off fast. Coupled with enhanced LiDAR technology, it significantly improves accuracy and reduces the thickness of point clouds. The LiDAR module can launch 240,000 laser points per second, with smaller and more focused laser spots, enabling it to penetrate dense vegetation and get results with visibly clearer details. L2 supports up to 5 returns for increased point cloud data collection. It also boasts a maximum detection range of 450 meters. And while operating at the typical altitude of 120 meters, it can meet the requirements of 1 to 500 high-accuracy topographic mapping. While ensuring the accuracy of the point cloud, L2 can cover an area of up to 2.5 square kilometers in a single flight, greatly enhancing operational efficiency. Thanks to its powerful hardware capabilities, L2 can be used in a variety of scenarios, including surveying and mapping, forestry management, infrastructure management, and electricity management, among others. In addition, the DJI Pilot 2 app has been upgraded, making operations even more efficient. Point Cloud Live View has been further optimized, providing immediate insights into your operations. After point cloud data collection, task quality reports can be generated on-site. With point cloud playback and merging functions, operators can quickly preview results on the remote controller, making fieldwork worry-free and significantly more effective. DJI Terra has also become more intelligent and efficient. Now, you can obtain base station data through the cloud's PPK function. DJI Terra can also now generate DEM results directly, giving users a single solution platform. In combination with DJI Enterprise drones and DJI Terra, Zenmuse L2 provides users with a more accurate and efficient integrated LiDAR solution. Reach new worlds of detailed point cloud data with Zenmuse L2.